Hi, I'm Maritza, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the March 2023 Teacher Self-Care Crate and all the goodies that are inside for this month's theme. I'm so excited, let's dive right in. The first thing that you will find as soon as you open your Teacher Self-Care Crate is the info card. The info card has all the details about what's inside for each item, including a QR code that takes you to your digital downloads and printables and so much more. So if you're a subscriber, you can get access to all of those. If not, you can subscribe down below. There is a link for you to subscribe. This month's theme is old school vibes. It's time to treat yourself to some TLC. Give yourself that break from the daily grind. Enjoy some much needed chill time. The first thing I have here is the art print for this month. The art print for this month is blooming all year, and it's stronger than yesterday. This really cool light bright theme, and this notebook paper lined on the back is what you get for writing on the art print for this month, giving you some little reminder to make everyday light brighter. The next thing I have here is this retro hair combs. These are so much fun, bringing back that 90s look that never gets too old, and I'll take that out to show you as well. And they come in two different colors, a brown and a black. And the next thing I have here are some stickers. These are fun stickers. I remember these when I was younger. The neon color, bright colored theme. The next thing I have here is this Bluetooth cassette speaker, and really easy to connect. It comes with the Bluetooth speaker in a cassette theme, and it comes with the charger as well. And you can listen to your jams just about anywhere. And it has clear instructions here for you to connect your Bluetooth. The next thing I have here is the Chill Pill Steamer. It has a eucalyptus scent to it, and it's just enjoying that calming, chillaxing shower experience. And it smells so good. The next thing I have here is a neon mini stapler in this really fun color, and it also comes with the staples. Fun combo to put and give your desk a little light, a little color to it. And also coming with that is a staple remover. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors, and it's really easy to use, and it's very comfortable to use. And the last thing I have here is this mini puzzle, Too Rad to Be Sad. It's so easy, and it gives you that mental break that you might need. And you can make this, and it's a 4x6 mini puzzle, and it's an 80s inspired, outrageous, beautiful look to it. And those are all of the items for the March 2023 Teacher Self-Care Crate. Now for your digital downloads, you get a couple different options. You can download them easily and print them out and share them in your classroom or even at home. And easy to print, easy to use. You also get wallpapers and much more when you are a subscriber. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to get your very own Teacher Self-Care Crate in the mail, be sure to look at the details down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.